At 66 and packing a Tony and an Emmy, Sheryl Ralph can afford to be outspoken. Former President Donald Trump, who wants to be in the saddle again despite a raft of lawsuits, very much on her radar and bound to provoke a reaction.
Is Donald Trump going to go to prison?
You know something? I never mentioned that man's name. The rumpa-dump man is all he's worthy of me. And I have to say, that man has done incredible damage, not just to America, but to like thinkers around the world. He has single-handedly risen up the minds that say, I am better than you only because of the shade and color of my skin. The number of hate crimes, the way they have risen around the world because he emboldened people to think that white and white-ish supremacy is better. This is the same man who told Caribbean, West Indian people, go back to your SHIT whole countries. So when I see West Indians, Caribbean people bigging up the likes of that demonic beast, I say, are you a colonialist? Are you a colonizer's child? What, you not know no better? What wrong with you? Huh? Who are you, an overseer? You think say you're white like him? What's wrong with you? I cannot take it, and it makes me want to vomit.
And do you have an opinion on the current standoff between the U.S. government and the Jamaican government over the status of a diplomat and his partner?
Let me just say right off, I love everybody. I love gay people. I love straight people. I'm not coming for gay people because I know for a fact if you want a good friend, you better get yourself a good gay friend, because if it's the middle of the night and you need blood, they're coming to give you blood. You need some food, they're coming to make sure you're fed. You need your house decorated, they're coming to help you. You need a good doctor, they're coming to fix you up. I'm not coming against gay people. And I've learned in my life, the more you fight against gay people, I've found that people are fighting something within themselves. Please, can we not live and let live?
You mentioned earlier, and you called yourself a diva. It might have been just, in a kind of jocular way, but are you a diva in terms of don't mess with Sheryl and don't forget I'm a star?
I think I'm more of the divinely inspired, victoriously alive, awesome, audacious, and if it was Sunday, we would be anointed. That's diva for me.
But you pulled rank.
You know what? I hardly ever have to pull rank. Most time what people will do is they will clear the path. They will clear the road. I don't have to say anything. I just have to be. That is it. And if I come up against a wall of ignorance, I am quiet. I let them say their piece. I keep it in my mind. I hold on to it, and I step off. That's it.
Don't be shocked, but an a cappella, please.
Of?
In the evening, I promise I won't put on my disco shoes and get busy.
Well, people, when you need them, when you need some help, they're just not around. That's right. In the evening, the real me comes alive. I can feel it. I love that song. Do you know that somewhere every summer, that song is banging in a club somewhere? They say it's one of the most heard songs around the world, just because. And so few people know it's me. Okay, wait, let me say one more thing.
Yes. Here we go.
Hi, this is Sheryl Ralph, and don't you ever, ever give up on Jamaica.
The irrepressible Sheryl Ralph set to work on a new film, also starring Bette Midler and Susan Sarandon, called The Fab Four. The Screen Actors Guild in the US still crippled by a protracted strike, but a so-called interim agreement allowing movies like The Fab Four to be shot.
I will say that if we don't come to some sort of a deal by September or October, we will have blown this television season. A good part of this season will just be gone. My fear about that is the longer people get used to not watching TV, we're pushing them towards streaming. We are literally breaking the back of the television industry. We already know this is a very difficult time because there is only one network television show that is up for Emmy nominations. One show. And because of the strike, I can't mention the name, but guess what? I'm in it.